back to my channel. As you already know from the title, that in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool cloud slime. And this cloud slime is really easy to make, but you have to make sure that you follow the instructions really carefully, because then you can obviously mess up the texture of the slime. Before I begin, I want you all to know that this slime is made using Pakistani ingredients, so the texture of this cloud slime will be really different from other cloud slimes shown on YouTube. And yeah, that's all. And now without further ado, let's get straight into the slime making process. So firstly, I'm adding white glue. This is Mobilus German white glue, but you can use any other glue that's available. And as you can see that the texture of the glue is like really thick. And if you have like a thick texture of glue, then the slime will not be pretty stretchy. But we want the slime to be stretchy, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. But if you add a lot of water, then the slime texture is totally messed up and it just becomes like a jiggly slime, so make sure you don't do that. After you fully mix the water with the glue, then you need to add dishwashing liquid. I'm just using this one as you can see on the screen, and you can use any other, but I'm using this one because this was the one available. But just make sure that the dishwashing liquid which you're using is transparent. As you can already see that the dishwashing liquid made this a lot more stretchier, and now that you've added it, now you need to add hand wash liquid. I'm adding 4 to 5 pounds, and if you have like a bigger batch, then you need to add more. If you have a smaller batch, you need to add less. And make sure that you're not using a foaming hand wash. It has to be like a hand wash of this texture. After adding the hand wash, if you think that the mixture has become more thick, then you need to add a little bit more water into it and make the mixture thin. So this is the consistency of the mixture which we're looking for, and when you have this consistency, then you can start activating your slime using any activator. I'm using borax activator. If you have contact lens solution, then you can use that as well. So now for the instant snow, you're going to be needing water, a diaper, and scissor. So cut open a diaper, and actually a diaper contains the instant snow beneath it. So when you add water, the instant snow powder absorbs it, and then you have to just wait for 2 to 3 minutes after you've added the water, and then cut open the diaper even further to get the instant snow. So make sure that you also remove the cotton part on top of it, because we don't need the cotton part, we just need the instant snow. And beneath the cotton parts you'll have the instant snow, and then you have to cut that open and take out all the instant snow powder from it into a bowl. Make sure you don't have any cotton parts into it and you only have instant snow powder. So now add your slime into the instant snow and then mix it gradually. You have to make sure that you add your instant snow batch by batch. You don't add it a lot of it at once, because it will melt your slime, because instant snow melts your slime, and if you add it all at once, it will melt your slime completely. As you can already see that I'm adding activator after I add every batch, so you have to make sure that after you add every batch you activate your slime and then go ahead with instant snow, because your slime will be melted by the end if you do not add activator. You have to make sure that you do not over activate the slime, and after you add every batch, First, make sure that you've mixed all of the instant snow completely and then stretch it and play with it for a while, and if it still feels sticky, only then add more activator. And eventually, when you repeat this process, you'll end up with a beautiful texture of cloud slime like this one. So that was it from today's video. If you all enjoyed it, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new, then also subscribe. See you all next time. Bye everyone.